Today I will show you how to make a decorative fireplace from a simple and cheap set of materials. First you need to find a box of suitable size. Garbage areas next to the furniture stores full of this stuff. Having in mind the approximate proportions of the future fireplace, we begin to model using a cutter. In my case I make a shallow and high fireplace that will look better on staged photos.
I saw this boat in half!
We use tape to secure the corners and give the structure strength. We outline on the front side a beautiful opening, thanks to which an illusion will be created that this is a fireplace and not just a bunch of boxes. You can think in advance how the walls will unfold and cut off only where needed, in order to save time on construction. You need to secure all the corners without exception, because the cardboard itself gives very little strength. To form the walls of the opening, cut a strip of cardboard of the desired depth across the ribs, and break it into the shape we need. In order not to redraw the opening profile for the back wall, simply draw the resultant stencil. Secure rounded shapes with small pieces of tape in the direction from the center of circle. Now the fireplace shape is starting to look recognizable. Now we make two simple boxes a little wider in size than the fireplace. We will place the higher one in a base, as if it is a foundation. A smaller box we put on top as a shelf. We do this to visually complicate the design and make it more realistic. Believe me, in the end everything will look not so bad. Cut out the boxes so that you simply fold the edges at the right angle and glue them together. So do most of the packages in stores. After the glue dries, you can begin to decorate. For covering the surface you can use a decorative self-adhesive film with a pattern of stone or brick. Or, as in my case, the economy option, a roll of thin wallpaper. Maybe they are not so beautiful, but it's easier and faster to work with. This part is very simple. Cut off the bigger pieces and glue it on, trying not to screw up too much. Do the round part as we did with tape, in small strips in the direction from the center of circle. Again, use a stencil to cut a piece for inside of the opening. Always cut the pieces more than needed to later fold the edges. It looks nicer and adds strength to the structure. In fact, the strange wallpaper pattern plays into my hands. No matter how I lay the pieces, you don't see the joints. With the clearer pattern, like a brick, I would have to work harder to make it look smooth. Paste the boxes starting from the ends. Spunk the piece on top and fold the edges. If it turns out too much, cut it off. And now we just wrap around like Christmas presents. Cardboard may convict slightly from the glue, but don't be afraid, nobody will notice such trifles. As a final touch, you can glue the foam pattern of your choice. Our fireplace is ready. It will serve as a great thing for decorating photo zones on children's Christmas events or create a holiday atmosphere in your own home.